Hi everyone, welcome to week 5 in English 7741. We are clipping along here. Next week will be our last week of instruction, so we are getting to the end. This week we are wrapping up a couple of projects. You finished your DMCs or OWL Talks, and I'm so excited about viewing these. You also submitted ideas for your lesson plan demos, and you'll go ahead and start filming your lessons this week. These lesson plan demos are more about the content than they are your pedagogy. Since this is really not a methods class, I'm not evaluating your teaching style. It's important that you think about ways to teach critical digital literacy to your students. As I mentioned last week, this is really a fundamental skill for today's world. Future jobs and truly our very democracy depend on citizens who can look critically at digital content and analyze it with a somewhat skeptical eye. The other focus for this week will be on creating how-to multimodal texts. You've already created a DMC, which is a multimodal text, since it uses different modes to communicate. Now you're going to teach us something new using multimodality. The directions for all of this will be in Module 9, which I will release on Thursday. Lastly, I just want to offer a few words of encouragement. A few of you have contacted me privately to express your frustration and struggles with navigating some of the platforms and digital tools we've been using. This is all part of the journey. Take baby steps. Don't compare yourself to anyone else in the class. In the end, the whole point of this course is to become more dexterous with technology so that we can integrate it into the classroom. And all of you are doing that. Like anything else, tech tools take practice. So keep using the same tools like WeVideo, and eventually they will become second nature and you can move on to a different tool. So have a great week.